welcome back. We're going to be making these cute woodblock reindeer ornaments. Here's what we'll need to create these cuties. Paint, I'm using brown, paintbrush, pom-poms for the noses, eye hooks, googly eyes, some ribbon and brown felt for the ears, scissors and sandpaper, some wooden blocks, a glue gun, drill, and lastly, some twigs for the antlers. For the wooden blocks, I've used a 2x2 piece of pine and a smaller square piece of trim, and I've measured and cut them into cubes. Once we have them all cut, we'll need to use our sandpaper or sanding block to clean up the edges. Next, we need to drill our holes for the antlers. First, you'll need to make sure the drill bit is the right diameter to fit the twigs we're using. We want to have the holes on a slight angle, but be sure to drill straight down to get the holes started. Then stop the drill, and without pulling it out, you'll want to angle it slightly and drill a little further in. Now, if you aren't comfortable eyeballing this, you can put a piece of tape around the drill bit at the depth you want. Then you'll know for sure exactly when to stop drilling. Next, we'll give all of our cubes a nice coat of paint. Once the paint is dried, we can start sorting through our twigs and dry fitting them before we glue them in. I forgot to mention in our list of supplies, but you'll probably need a pair of cutters. I'm using a pair of wire cutters since my twigs are quite small and soft. Before we permanently glue in the antlers, you'll want to screw in one of the eye hooks. It's much easier to do this without the antlers in the way. Now we can glue on our smaller cubes to create a snout or mouth. attached our eyes, and now we can cut out the ears from our felt. I'm attaching them with a little dab of glue in one corner, then another dab on top of the felt, and fold over the back part of the felt. This creates a cute little folded ear. Once our pom-pom noses are glued on, we can attach some ribbon or string, and they're ready to hang on our tree or to give them as a gift.